Welcome back to an interesting section on idioms. Do you feel very difficult to understand idioms? Yes, we feel. So here I have come with some idioms. It will help you to enrich your speaking skill. It can amplify messages in a way that draws readers' attention and helps to awaken their senses. What is What's an idiom? An idiom is a phrase or expression that typically presents a figurative, non-literal meaning attached to the phrase. The first one for you is hit the book. What do you mean by it? Hit the book means to study very hard, to start studying, to get engaged reading books. Examples: I will go to the library and hit the books, or I am going to hit the books. Second one is break a leg. Break a leg means wish someone good luck. Danny's family told him to break a leg right before he went on a stage. Third one is think out of the box. It means think in a creative way. Example: advertising agencies must think outside the box to come up with fresh new ideas that will grab consumers' attention. Fourth one is in the pink. That means healthy or fit and happy. Nice to see you in the pink. Here are some tips to keep you in the pink. John recovered from his surgery in less than 10 days and is now in the pink of condition. Next one is on cloud 9. What does it mean? It means extremely happy. Are you feeling happy? Yes, we all are happy. Ram was on cloud 9 when he saw the result. She was on cloud 9 after receiving a hefty raise. I was on cloud 9 once I had completed my project. Next one, at sixes and sevens. It means used to express a situation of uncertainty or confusion, or to be in complete disarray. That means in a mess. The boy made the room at sixes and sevens. After the party, our room became at sixes and sevens. Seventh one, under the weather. It means feeling sick. If someone is under the weather, they feel ill. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I think I'm getting cold. I'm sorry, I can't visit your grandmother with you because I'm a bit under the weather today. I'm under the weather, or you look a bit under the weather. Eighth one, once in a blue moon. It means very rarely or once after a long time. The earthquake hits once in a blue moon in this part of the earth. You can say, we go to cinema once in a blue moon. My daddy is working in Scotland and he visits home once in a blue moon. Ninth one is, it's raining cats and dog. It means raining heavily. Example, it was raining cats and dog. It was raining cats and dogs yesterday. That means it was raining heavily yesterday. Last one is against the clock. It means to do the work in a very limited amount of time. Example, I did the work against the clock. He worked against the clock to complete it before the time. Students, you can use these idioms to enrich your vocabulary. It will help you to enrich your speaking skill. If you have to improve your speaking skill continuously, you have to practice it. Without practicing, you can't achieve anything, students. So, whether your family members know or don't doesn't know, you have to speak with them continuously. Reading makes a man perfectly. Same way, practice makes a man. So, it's time for assignment. Write a story using any 10 idioms. Bye. We'll meet you in the next section.